Aunty, what going?
Why me there look and live and give God
I
thanks.
don't want to, you know, come and check me yet.
Your father the boat? Alright, Katam, did want to talk to you. Come up, man, come now.
Oh, she told me the tape, but me sit down.
Girl, may I hear certain things out the road?
So what?
May I hear more than 3-4 man in one house?
Well, no. Listen, Daddy want me to have one. The one man thing not work. Like, me I deal with one man, you know. And then him man not give me nothing. Me can't pay me bill them part time, me can't do nothing part time. Me want to do me head, up on me head, you want to do. Me can't do it. Me have to go to other man. Other man I see me and I offer me, me have to go to them. Daddy want me to have one man, but the one man thing not go work, you know.
Come in the things so you think I jump. I hustle, they hustle.
Yeah, me a hustle come if I pay bill. No, me have to pay water bill, light bill, food bill, every type of bill. Plus me here and here.
I overstand now. Now me overstand.
Yeah.
But you see, like how me know your little secret. And we know how your father turn. Because my brother have a mad head pan him.
Me say. No grow and good.
Aye, so you know, so you have to give me a little thing for hold my mouth.
Sure, Auntie, you're alright. You know, so me I get a little thing already.
So make sure you know, because promises are comfort to a fool.
Listen, me I go get a little thing. Me I get one little $5,000. That can do.
Which kind of $5,000 and a farm man you have? No,
Auntie,
sir, $5,000 now.
No, you say me have 4. Me not have 4, I 3 me have. And I only 2 at work.
Well, you have to go work them harder, you know, my daughter. Yeah, you like my daughter. You have to go work them harder because $5,000 now go cut it.
Alright, me I get one little $10,000. That sound good?
Well, you have to go put a little more fertilizer upon that. Because, you know, say my brother head hot, you know.
Auntie, you know, say you're greedy.
You
and
with
blackmail me.
Blackmail with what?
Auntie, a 3 man me have.
3?
And I only 2 at work.
Oh, yeah.
One I get 100,000 a month and one I get 50.
And a little 5,000 and 10,000 you want to give me?
Auntie, remember say me have to pay bills. Me have bills.
Me a big woman with big woman bills. And my brother head hot. I protect you, know, my
Auntie,
girl.
let's know how much money you want, so.
Yeah, me not rob you, you know. Yeah, my niece, me not rob you. But look, put little fertilizer upon the number you did mention. Go again.
15.
50? Yeah, man, we'll take the 50. I know me not say you love me, you know.
No, sir.
I know me not say you love me.
We'll take 15.
No, man, a 50 me ear. A 50 me ear.
That's how your ears
And I'm going to go with that. Cause 50 me ear.
15, me say.
My mouth light, you know. My tongue even lighter.
Father God.
So 50 me here. How much you say one man I earn? And the next
Auntie,
month, you gotta better go find rich man. Yeah.
Auntie, me say 15,000.
Okay.
Me say 50.
My mouth I get accept 50. 5.
Auntie, me get 50,000 for you.
5 and 6 zeros. Me I go accept. I
Auntie,
must so 50
2
grand.
bill, you know, at 50,000. No, me get 50,000 for you.
You forget rich man. If you want me to keep my mouth from my brother.
So you will give me one rich man then? Yeah, one for rich man. Give me one.
Only hi. Me a good Christian woman. You know, sister, me married.
Christian way.
Me married to your uncle. Me know that. But me know how young people turn.
Christian wear.
Nobody get rank because you got to
Christian
70,000. Oh God, see your uncle, see my brother come. 70,000. Rank with me again.
Auntie, me not so much money. You know.
What, my brother? You're good.
What granddaddy?
Yeah, our brother.
Every day I walk careful walk with one spliff in a fear. You can't let it weed.
What is going on here?
Well, something have to be going on for me come look for my brother and my niece. Hug up your sister, man. You're going like see me a stranger. Come, man, hug up your sister.
I don't know why you smell like weed, man.
Okay, but you never change.
Well, our gonna say something dead, yes, sir?
Hey,
What am I talking about?
you're going like say a funeral alone, make me come look for my brother and my niece.
She know this big black and you and I purple. And, I don't know.
A black and white got funeral, but you did say I got funeral.
Anyway, my brother, I want to talk to you a little bit. Tell me something. You'd have a problem if Shorty have 3 or 4 different men. Cause she had dealt with a hustling. And you know, say everything gone up now. And one man can't run the
You listen
bills.
yourself?
Oh,
You listen yourself?
she asked me if to talk to you.
Wait, look upon look up people.
Huh?
What should I do with what should I do with man? Instead of what should I want look a boyfriend? What should I do with 3 and 4 type of man? Where you come with? I want to teach you look up in them where I talk say. You listen yourself?
But Jutta, stick a pin, hold on. I not feel on my days no more, you know. I not feel with days no more. And the youth them now, them run with a different program. And if you stay in the old days, you get left behind. You have to move with the program, Jutta.
Me move with the program. Listen, mama, that I influence her for do. That on the day I start talk about.
When you talk about Norman Stills, she can't look for you.
You see, before that happen, me make you quit your look a boyfriend where you feel like you have. You hear? Cause come like say, you no respect my order and my setting to me a setting that's all.
Will you raise up your voice?
Let me
for
go
you?
there,
That's a
raise-
simple question.
You're making neighbor them ear.
No, if me just say, me think about it, probably should have 3-4 man already. What you tell me say?
At least she come to you or try come to you for a little permission. You know how
Not
much
if you call me
pitney
one
now,
day
but
and tell me say, yo, oh, you can't tell me that. And then she there say like that you want to do.
Jutta, that's why people don't like talk to you, know.
You
That's
can't-
why people don't like talk to you because you
like
can't talk
me
to
with no
people.
stupidness. You can't talk to
What
me.
kind
with
of thing? You know how much parents, not just say father, you know how much parents out there would have love for them child. We can't talk to them about anything. And she asked me for
talk to me about
you.
this.
So what she can talk to you, a selective topic she can't talk to you
Alright,
about.
listen to me, man. Alright, you're not talk about it, but it's when she done, I'm see if she move no look where you will see the outcome. You hear me? I tell you. Yeah.
Alright, Jutta, calm down, calm down.
No, me I tell you the truth. When me done, when you done and talk and do and I do, let me see outcome. I me see like one look a spec. Company outcome I don't see it. I don't know what me I talk about. Yeah.
If you stop burn the weed, you know, because or you for burn it faster because your head too hot for conversation.
You know,
This
people
is
none
problem.
at all.
Are you the problem,
You don't
Jutta?
start smoke it yet, so
Well,
it
then
could
you
be
for
problem.
blaze it up, man, because your head too hot for conversation. My niece, me see you. Me a check you for the money, 80,000.
Auntie,
My brother, me see you later because you hot up my head right now.
Auntie, me not have so much.
Fine.
Go in, someone.
I that me there go do anyways.
Be my brother, you know, but I'm going full more time. Eh? The little child is 19 and I'm going like say she can't have more than one man.
Me sure me now one.
What my friend, you good?
I'm there, I know.
If you talk to your friend, you know,
What?
because my chat farts in my ear roll.
What kind of heart?
Shorty down there. And I talk to me and I say, come in here, say she have more than one man on the road. Right? One little 2-3 boyfriend. And so she a hustle and I make her little, you know, change to make her little
so
thing.
she a go on.
What's wrong with that? She asked me if to talk to her father.
I meet the girl what the other, I meet the girl say, yo, you know what, I like you cause me your father better than me and you for day, you know. And the girl all look for me and tell me, say, me no lookable. Yeah.
She have a mouth on her still.
And don't say me not have it. Every day me walk on the road and beg people and me go to people yard with me cup and beg. Me not go to people yard with me cup. Me not do them stuff there. See, me not a man like that. Me not walk and do them things and me not beg.
No, you know walk with your cup. That's true.
Me not do that. For
That's
what?
true. That's true. That's true.
I would never. Me not understand.
Oh God. So you're not sure say you have money? Papa,
How
if
me
you
know?
so that's why she say it.
But me, no, the thing is, when she see a man like me hard working, right? And me I look at night empress to say, yeah, 'cause, you know, without a queen, you know, there's not a king, you know.
That is true.
Without a queen, there's not a king. So all that man will wake up themselves and talk about them a king and this and that. You can't be a king without a queen.
True. You need
How
the
you a king
empress.
and you don't have a queen? How you a emperor and don't have an empress? How you a Buddhism and don't have a ritualist?
And sure, you have to have the backbone, which is woman.
Exactly. You know, that me a try show me see girl and me say you want to fix her up because she want to fix up.
Yeah, but you know nothing to fix her up with, Papa. You see, you can't remember them, Mar.
So yeah, she the same thing.
Me. You know, sister, me is a big married woman with my husband.
The
Me
thing
have
is,
my husband and me
ring no mean nothing, you know.
to you.
Mr. Richard, you are wearing right now and I spend for a young boy.
Them and a me and me and a them.
So I don't know yet. You want your influencer to deal with me because you're the man.
Me must send my one niece to Povertyville. A rich man should pick up enough for we days when we can do it.
And that's how life go.
Yes, that's how
You
life
have to
go.
put your head somewhere in life to struggle.
And that me
Listen up.
tell her.
Remember, you know, bird don't just fly, so you know. At first, then drop before they learn how to fly.
Exactly.
So you can't put your egg in a one basket.
Exactly. And that me I tell her.
What?
You talk my language. And that me I try to you for talk to Jutta man.
Another way to
No, man, you talk the right thing. You can't put all your eggs in one basket. And him a child false a one man she for have, and she not even for have that. That's why me can talk to you, you know. Come
No,
reason,
no,
yeah.
no.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Where else you did sell a little bit to go?
No, and that me a talk, and that egg me a talk about. Me not talk about no, you know, if you have more than one man. No, it doesn't right.
You talk with fork tongue, you know.
It doesn't right like that, you know. Understand? You have to be a lady. Show me. What word go again? Because me not really have it that way in my brain. You know.
Oh, me know why you and just touch her close. Count of them the old time system.
No.
And not them the days now.
No, you don't understand none. You
And
know?
not them the days now. These young people. And not that them depend when me.
And that's why them a have breast cancer and them a have womb cancer.
That the day before me and you great grandparents born.
Yeah, but now it activated. And them a have all SID, HID, all them things there. Them have to know what them a do.
Them have to know what them a do, yes, and find the right partner, and them have to try them out. You can't get locked down in a marriage and you don't know what the woman is, and you don't know. You can't buy pussy in a bag nowadays in a Popeye.
Everybody
And
a buy pussy in the
That's
bag.
where it go wrong. You have to try and sample out, and you can't put more than one egg. You can't put eggs in a more than one. You know what me I say?
No,
I
listen.
agree with you.
No, listen now. The thing is what me I try to show you. If I go to the supermarket, right? And I am buying Lasco, and I'm buying 3 small Lasco. It doesn't make sense. I buy the big one. Because the big one have more than the 3, and the 3 value the same money.
Yes, you buy 3 big one. Now you talk.
But here's the point me I try to get to. In life, you have to succeed, right? But you have to push yourself to be a better person.
Yes.
You don't know, right?
You're
I'm
talking
Jabon
frog tone.
here with you. Jabon.
You have little things in my bag.
You know, deal with poverty, right? He deal with poverty.
No, don't do it, Papa. Don't do
Yeah,
it.
put the ER
Jawbone buy our KFC the other day. Don't do it. Him take her on big dates. Him take my niece on big dates and buy our KFC combo. So don't do it. Don't go buy look salon, Jawbone. Have money like that.
KFC.
KFC me there. You don't hear the initials. You don't hear the initials in a hit.
I want to
You can't go initial place, you know. Abbreviation it name.
If me ever have a daughter in life and he get big and a man can go to KFC for the first date, I'll shut him a box.
You see you people.
I'll shut him a box.
You're too materialistic, man. The little girl like him.
No, and that Uno mash up the young generation them.
Which part, Uno?
Then we have
So we. How you unite to?
Who?
How much woman you have? Remember some know you in a Popeye. When rum lick under your backside and you start, woo, woo, out a road and grab up girl and a woo, woo, and I fling them pan helicopter and a woo. Hey, practice what you preach up. I mean, I like it, man.
I don't know me end up with the cup on the road.
Habit, man, habit. You don't realize. A habit, man, a habit. A part of
No,
you.
I realize that.
Mhm.
Anyway, as I say now, you have to teach her the right thing. You're a woman and you're married.
I bet
Teach
me
her
I
the
do.
right thing. Tell her I send the man for her. You know, feel like,
Yeah, money.
not yet.
And then when you get the money yet, then you can be the man for my niece then.
So I tell her.
So who? Me look like shop to you? Me look like my name shop?
Alright, we can carry go buy KFC then and get her then.
No, she don't KFC already, man. She want to go Burger King now.
Don't have a problem. We can go buy her fries.
No! My niece is a combo girl. A combo she used to.
No, me have to
And a
come.
combo she
No,
gets.
me have to combo in my back. But me just I'll get the fries.
Hi,
That's
hi,
the arm.
hi, hi. Remember, say me a good Christian woman, you know. Me don't want to hear them conversation. Me
No,
gone.
when me pass your doorway, I'm here.
Husband, which is the way it should be.
Me dear heaven, do not call heaven in your name.
Aye,
It's
yes.
when you not have sex, do not holler for Jesus. Do not holler for Jesus in a sex argument. Do not holler for heaven. You know, oh baby, me dear heaven, stop it. Tell the man to stop it. There's no holler heaven.
No, me glad you teach me that.
The what?
And now me know what bad mind and jealousy look like. Move and go.
We tell the truth. Yes. I'm virgin.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I be like weed. Don't look for me. Yo, you know what say? Your sister. I sell her out.
Excuse you.
I give her a whole heap of man. Man pan top of man.
Hello.
Serious
come
fan
here
with
so
you,
with
man.
that.
Talk.
Man pan
Talk
top
make
of
you man
man.
talk.
This girl here. Me never know that's so she bad.
Awa.
Play man she have man.
Tell me now.
She there with Martha. She there with what boy name? Tim Rai.
I lie, Mattel.
In there with
I lie. You have to stop it. You're informer. You have to stop it.
You can't call me virgin informer. Stop talking,
I
make it.
don't want him.
Bubblehead. Who they look you?
You. He might look me.
Hello,
Every
look a
time
girl.
he see me,
Girl,
he do the
and listen to me.
argument
Go on in, man.
Oh, say I believe him.
No, me and him attack. You a big man and me a big man. Go on inside.
Bubblehead, go on in man.
I must see you down the road that you must look me again.
What to my young generation here?
You're sure what you talk about, don't
Me say the auntie a make money off her. Your
you?
own sister.
No, me see a rake from where you know. Cause right in front me she call me and say if did I agree if she have 3 man and 2 man.
You know what she tell me a while ago out the road say? Jawbone take her pan KFC. Date. Eh? Me go on my picnic and my picnic go for the first
No,
date at
no.
KFC go do.
I give her money, you keep on watch them from here.
Yes. And that what we do. It's once they pay me we watch them toe to toe. Cause you see nowadays them generation they will breed by you. And they will not know the father because they are one bag of man. You have to sit down and talk to her. Me don't know if I live a white or black or green, but it look like a white liver. How the white liver alone moves so.
Just do on my telephone. Yeah?
Not do it man, but you need to put her, you see all the sister there, me and him backside man. You see a married woman and him a galang stuff. Just
Come up in my yard like she want to tell me what to do with my pitney, you know.
a woman like them.
And I go on, she for go on to man.
You see a woman like
Yo,
them.
and she more you watch it with.
Oh, she, yeah, man, me don't watch. You know, a long more watch it anyway. I look at Isle, me go and beg still, you know. I look at Isle near big.
Well, you always not have no oil.
Why, me don't know, I salt, me salt.
Well, you have salt though.
Yeah, me have salt, me already salt, so me have salt. Oh, God. See, nobody I look at. They always say me I walk and beg, you know. I don't know who they know say me I walk and beg. Oh, God.
You can't get no more than that, you know.
Oh, that look a bit Isle. You could give me more.
So on the floor, you normally have fry better.
You could have given me more, I could have put it here, say, you know.
A flour, you normally have a flour, you know. Flour no need no whole for oil, brother.
Yeah, but you
Just
could have.
soak it up. Me there a whole of advice, man. Cause me can't, me no know what go on in my life. Me there a whole of advice. Yo, link me back, look more, man. Cause you ever want oil, brother.
Because if you give me them a little bit here, me have to come back every day.
Daddy, me not too want a oil virgin, you know. Go on if you go on, man.
You should have put it here.
You are gonna do this something for me, don't you?
Yeah.
You will get more oil.
Ah, it's you. Believe in you. All right?
I'm say a word, man.
Yeah, man. Ah, boy.
Oh, wow, God.
Oh, my day, man, I go on easy. There you go.
I say you may walk a look for.
Walk and look for me.
Yeah.
For?
Yeah, I say look, inform a boy papa come over my yard, come tell my father about say, oh, me have 4 to 3 man. Yes, all I call me, but he ain't call for your name though.
Oh.
Yeah.
Glad you not call my name.
Yeah.
I wonder kind of 4 to 3 man that.
Yeah, me all have to tell my father license me down the road and I look me. And true me not want him, I make my tell right, but my father don't believe me. Yes. He believe he'll call inform a boy.
I say you go, man, I want to watch it from them, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I go on do?
You know something there? Sun hot though. Hot. So you go and
watch TikTok.
yeah, but the on your phone. Yes.
So informer, you know see informer for a morning.
No, me not see look of chicken foot boy. You know see him from morning, me don't know when day. And my auntie want to see she too, you know. So anyways, I'll go with the idea. What you plan to do?
They are going easy see when I
Father God!
Speaking of the devil, man himself.
How was this for me?
Go
I didn't know father
on.
informer.
Chat. How are you calling informer?
No you.
Where you come here suffer?
Yeah, informer man. Yeah,
Where you
this
come here
informer,
suffer? You don't see me matter, where you come here suffer?
Yeah, who to him?
They not know that, nor about that. That is not your business.
Oh, I'm telling you now, farmer.
What's the difference between me and him? So you can carry go KFC and me can't carry go KFC.
How you know saying can me go KFC?
You don't worry about
And that you tell me father. Huh? How you know saying can me go KFC?
Me know about the first.
I say you watch.
We first date.
Me know about KFC. Yes, me know about him, hear about it.
We
I told
aspire.
Me look like a Mission Impossible.
But every look me look at you that missy.
Exactly.
If me go down in the road, 10 minutes time you that missy, I bust one corner. You see me?
Every
Me
minute me
Wasting
see
time.
every minute me see a me yard.
Wasting time.
What you see na my father? Make every time you come here, so, and I carry news go give him. Awa, a man in be there can't look him. Stop can news come give him.
Are you me a look but you not pay attention?
Me no want you. What you have to give me? Look at you. Look at you.
I have ground food up there, me plant ground food.
Me no eat ground food, me love a be a KFC, me name.
Okay. So it's a KFC. Say him as a KFC man.
No, not a KFC man. KFC go when KFC ready for go.
Listen, you can't buy me KFC, you can't buy me KFC, you can't tell me about ground food. Me no want no ground food.
You wanna give him the knuckle?
Yes, yes. You like you can't even put a woman on good backers, but yet you want no cook.
Yeah man, what up?
Aye. I say yesterday.
Huh?
I say yesterday.
What?
You're weak then, daddy man.
They say you weak. A jelly back.
You're weak, man.
What is a bubbles there? I can't call people jelly back.
That's the only talk you have in your mouth?
Eh? Look on this jellyfish back here. How you want name? Where you want name?
Boy,
How
I've
you
now
want?
put it on the test and see, master. Put it on the track and see if it drive good, master.
Let me ask you a question. When you go pan it, good?
Nee? Hey, me, it drive good,
How much
man.
mileage the pan it?
You know, beat up, man. It drive good, man. I not watch him, man, but I know say it drive good. Engine good. Can carry go and come back.
Enough of them young girl, you know. Too much mileage the pan them clock.
No, man. The one I want a mileage. up,
Enough
man.
man now go there, so he now go beat out.
Mama, enough man have to go there for beat out. One man alone can
A
do
one man I
man.
go there, and I him. Him alone I go there. Yeah.
But I don't feel so for sure, but the engine good, though,
Now
man.
let me start on you too, you know.
The engine good, you
No, let
know.
me start
What
on you.
about the aisle?
The aisle.
We are telling
probably
me
aisle want
that
change
go
on
tell
now.
me about my father, you idiot. You know see a fool?
I don't want change no bossy. Get what if I drive? I don't want change.
I just really want to give you a handbag still, you know, I understand it. Anyway, I want to take you on a love life.
What
What
my
do you mean by love life?
All the hope him can continue to get cake
Yes, my
all
continue
the
give me.
while.
Yes.
But my ground food I got did it and make money.
Me no want your ground
And in the
food.
future, me can buy more than KFC.
Me no want your
Alright,
ground
farmer.
food.
Go on,
Yeah,
go on,
but-
go
What
on,
my
farmer. Yo,
business?
farmer, go on do your thing,
What my
farmer.
business now? Yes, me and man there start talk.
As a farmer,
Excuse.
you know.
Sure, everything you there. Everywhere you there. Anyways, me I can't go in a kind so go over my if I go and tell him so later.
Alright, go on get what you have to get for him. Because I know see I'll get something for him, man.
Hey, my family, what, everybody good? Oh, what happened to the sad face? I don't know. I sit like duppy in the middle.
Nah, sit like me up because where what I want.
Well, my brother, I come for my niece. I come for take my niece on the road and go spoil her.
Have your way.
Come, my niece, we are the road. Come.
Yeah, well, let me come.
Yes.
So we are going idea now.
Yeah, I got the road. I'll treat you some things.
Yes, daddy.
So me I tell you, see? And when you go there and business and fear,
Daddy, me 19-year-old now.
the business if you're 19.
Say me
More
by
you
behave
go there,
myself.
and more you act like you're 19. You hear what I say?
Me ever at my age.
Okay. So nobody follow she and go like say you're no big woman, you know.
But I'm not a child.
Follow she, who name she?
Follow she, me not talking to you, you know. Cause I notice how you always go on, you know.
Just let me ask you something. Pata car Keko Black. How much woman you have out a road? Eh? How much woman you jugo out a road?
Where you get to see me and do nothing.
Me know about you
Stop
though.
your mouth,
You're my
man.
brother, me know about you.
Me just cut off this and done. Cause you see you're going like say you run things just so you know. Let me tell you something, man. You say if you do what you do what you do and I try mix up my data, you know what you do, yeah? You hear me tell you?
Me have my one husband, the guilty can't talk, my brother. And if you're guilty and guilt, I lick your conscience, I lick you.
Cause
Eh?
every minute, every day you go on the road. Where you talk about husband. Every day you go on the road and your husband are there with you.
So, hi, at least my
on.
husband know what me I do. Eh? Your
Wow.
girlfriend, them.
One way I go. I make sure me listen what I tell you, yeah?
Yes, daddy.
Meet me a
Go on.
bamboo tree.
Go on, please. Go
Yes,
on.
daddy. Come on, auntie.
Meet me
Go
a
on.
bamboo tree. Eh?
Go on.
You know how you talk to people, you know. You
Auntie,
might be
come
my
on.
brother,
Go
but
on.
me not take this.
I might have to tell yourself just go on back in our house.
Auntie, come on now. Auntie,
Me
argue
not
too
take this, so know what you do. Eh? Oh,
much. Auntie, come on. You argue too much.
sure.
Oh God have mercy. What go on, my boy?
There, man.
So you look one then, did they?
Them gone on the road, you know.
Them who?
The two of them gone on the road, you know.
I want to me know you have, man.
No, she and her auntie gone on the road. Look, you know. You have to go on quick, you know. And make sure you carry back some result.
How you fi make the auntie come here come take out the daughter out of the yard? Me understand say she 19, but
Come on, want get some result.
oh, you
That's
want
how them going, you know. So you have to go so and try dig her. Around you have to go around, you know. And dig her for whole around.
no,
so
me know
come
if you
back
find
and
them, man.
catch her.
Me know if you find them, but I that want to talk to you about. I want money me a borrow. Nobody say me a walk and borrow and beg.
Every time you come around here, if you want oil, or sugar, or butter, and now money, you reach a money now.
All right, when me come back with the result, me want a piece of cheese.
Yeah, you don't get the money.
But all the music business.
Music, me I take my time with it, man. Don't worry about the music, man.
Cause what do you yo, me no remember if tell you yesterday me come beg the island now. What do you see you bust up the stage?
Yeah, man, me have to do my
Let
work.
me see top of that. Yo, run jit around me now.
What kind of work me do?
Eh?
Go on, no, man.
Eh?
What kind of work me do?
Music.
So go on, do your work now, no, man.
Oh, all
Make sure
right.
say you come back with the result, and money you get this time. Don't worry yourself.
How much?
You can buy a whole heap of island them something there.
Isle alone.
No, man, me I give you food, man.
Oh. All right. Nothing. All right.
Yes. So, I gotta teach you the runnings.
Yeah,
Cause you can't go with no broke money if you want to do this.
true.
Aunty,
Oh, I gone.
Empress.
Blessings.
How do I deal with?
You know him?
Yeah, I KFC man.
Oh,
See my name now.
okay.
No, I know some I mean.
Okay.
I KFC can make up on the first date, so I just can't KFC man.
First, second, third, and everything else.
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Well, I'm glad I finally get to meet you. Mm-hmm. I'm a niece, you know.
Anyways,
Mm-hmm. My father, my brother.
mm,
So,
yeah.
me just a walk road and I teach her certain things. You know, believe my niece is an empress too.
No, me not know locks.
You don't need to be lux.
No, man, I have locks here. Empress.
No, man, my niece is the best. But you want to call her queen empress or whatever, right? KFC now really go work for her, you know.
I mean, tips, no girl. How she want now?
You need to up the thing, man.
How you want? Steak.
A grill, aye, and no, yeah, talk. Steak, grill, lobster, them the things my niece for them, you know. She don't know chicken it.
We can't work on that same way, man. At least that, man. Steak, lobster, whatever, man. Burger,
So,
pizza,
okay.
anything.
So, if she want to go for it now, like how the special day today, if you want to go for it now, you can take her go get lobster,
Me not
seafood
understand
boil.
special day means special day.
Today not day, them say day for lovers.
Yeah.
No, every day is a normal regular day. Today Saturday.
No, today no regular. Today is a special day. Today I feel come up on a big date and buy me big expensive things, you know. Nice gift and roses and all these things.
Well, some think we can find couple puppy flowers for 1 tree.
Me
Probably
no
KFC full
roses
today,
me a talk about, me not
can
talk
go
about
to
what they
drive through
pan
today. Couple
tree.
KFC full, you know where you go. Buy a couple KFC and couple bucket again on the beach and you know where the look rose.
Yeah, that's so
Today one
nice.
day.
No, my niece. Nobody second low.
Auntie, that
No
no low,
second
that's so
low.
Man, I say
nice.
low,
At
I
least my
still
carry
something.
some way.
So I want
Yes.
bucket of chicken.
You have to be
KFC there.
grateful.
On the
Yes.
seaside, when I rock side business, there, I know on a beach, there, on a local beach.
No. My
Bring
niece is
one
higher
big box
grade
and
than
plate of
that.
bad stone.
Auntie, we
Things
can
and
talk
smoke.
about that in the next time. But this sound good.
No. My niece is higher grade than that. You need to take her to a nice restaurant where she get what? Seafood boil.
Them if your husband and wife.
Uh.
We not married. Husband and wife, I married her.
Married what? And you can't even afford.
Them they are
You
married
can't
life.
afford lobster.
Me never say
No,
they can't afford
man.
their married life, them they.
Mhm.
Them they are married life.
So when you have married life, you have to have married life
You
standards.
see me?
You
Best
can't.
restaurant, probably I'll fly out on some
Uh-huh.
style.
But you can't be over this and she over this. You don't know what she do. You shouldn't know what you do.
That man tell you now, that's why I have to go on easy to KFC. Cause me and care I'm going to a high restaurant, make lobster. What you call it? What you call the one again? Seafood boil.
Mm-hmm.
And we say steak and ain't sitting there now you have to married for that. So like
Okay.
come now over there, so like come over here so.
Mm-hmm.
You can't cheat, you can't give them something there.
Mm-hmm. So you have money for mine, huh?
Money,
Mm-hmm.
like in a year. You see go to the KFC them market at the time.
No, man. My niece need big money like that. A high quality girl you get, you know.
Auntie, me I get big money, me I get big food. Lord God Almighty.
God.
Watch him.
High,
What's wrong with you?
high quality,
You could spy.
high quality what?
Where are they now, farmer?
High
A
quality
spy
what?
me, you know. A spy me. What you do
That's
yourself?
the Empress.
So you not feel bad any time you show up, people saw up them face when they see you. It is not a sign.
What
You
you
know,
do
good
yourself?
man. Keep walking, man.
I mean, I watching you. Everywhere me go, this man.
Still
What wrong with you?
You still a choose the dirty boy, man, right?
I'm a man. I'm a KFC man.
Yeah, that.
I wish man could have called me KFC, man.
What
I
is?
get
So what wrong with
What about this
KFC?
Oh, it's my feet, man.
Yeah, that's right.
No woman can call me no KFC, man, when I hit me a feeding.
well,
pan.
No,
they
ca-
can't call me freaky man
I
though.
be a ground food the account,
KFC
but
better
me
than
like
freaky man
ground
farm.
food at KFC me eat.
Well, let me be a grown man.
Hey,
A KFC me want.
hey.
Alright.
You talk about being
Yeah,
a man. Your money?
send it
Me
in.
have grown food.
Hey, that's enough money. You can't take that to Mr. Chin.
So how much you talk to her?
Ah, the talk and whole conversation of 40 grand.
Me backside.
The next conversation, another 40 grand.
Yeah.
And you see, if you want to work foot with my baby niece and go from yeso to yeso, you have to put a 60 grand in my hand on top.
Oh,
Yes.
so what?
For a quality this, you know.
I feel Gucci.
To spend time with her, you have to pay it for
Do
it.
not mix Gucci with you. Please. Do not mix it.
But when you talk to me, you want a Gucci. And the Gucci expensive. Yeah. Everything for me
You
expensive.
really look at your niece and think say she a brand?
I sell him.
See, I ain't sell nothing. Me a teach her if don't lower her standards.
And-
I don't
She
know
not
that
need-
hyena.
Well, I know, it's like how
God,
you
no.
seal them out.
I want
You
wild
can
hog.
seal them up for this so you can get the lobster and steak and what you say again, seafood.
All you shut up. Because I saw one that box of KFC. So stop it nice.
KFC
Wow,
money
wow.
done now.
Wow, wow.
Oh,
Yeah, KFC money
so you
done
see
now.
when the little money done quick, it show you the standard.
Let me ask you a question.
It show you the
When you get
standard.
out of
Money
this?
done, so
When
you
you
can't
get
take
out
the
of this?
Do what?
When you get out of this? 'Cause first of all, you carry your niece out here. She not even dressed properly.
How you know see she came out here?
How you talk about dress properly? You looking in the mirror?
Secondly, her ear remind me of bubbles.
Oh
My
God!
ears,
When you're
yeah.
looking in the mirror, it reminds you of bubbles too. Not true. The
Because
bubbles there, so the
You
bubbles
barely
there,
have hair
so.
upon your head and the bubbles barely have lasket pan it.
Eh.
Remember?
What
Yeah,
a way,
even
my
if I
watch.
hear more than her.
Okay, what
Eh?
a way you watch hairstyle.
I
If you
have
just
to
come
dish
out with
meat.
it, you know.
For what? For KFC, man?
You
Yes.
just come
We can
out with
fry
it.
chicken. I'm a chef.
Me no want that.
Uh-uh.
If your chicken can never taste like KFC chicken, no day, no time. Me not ask Christ.
Tell him.
Me
Tell
not
him.
I'm
ask.
really there to be.
You can't cook so good, me love. You see your face want wash.
Yes,
You
you-
don't wash your face before you come out of your
You
yard.
see your damn cookie? You ever see your damn cookie?
You ever see?
I don't know how many you want. Nasty piece
Hold
of
on,
boy.
hold on. You did come here a
You
little
clean.
while one time too. I true my niece too good for you.
Expensive.
Aye. Can't reach your broad pocket way.
Which is your pocket way?
Eh? If you could afford nothing, you could have afford it. True, you can't afford
You
this.
see this CMC where you are store right now? I only hope it grow.
I hope you go succeed
Go on,
too.
best
Come.
If you want them one.
Go succeed in a
Now wash your
life.
face. I know we favorite there.
So, yes, man, you do all right, but well,
Auntie me
this.
do good, auntie.
If you do better though.
So
Well,
200
this.
give me.
You're lucky. Well, my brother, you're
Oh, God,
good.
daddy.
I wanna do this much money. What kind of work you do?
I go collect my little pension. I know, you know, so me love my family already. So, brother, me nah leave you dry, you know. Hold that. Me nah leave you dry. Yeah, my brother.
Hold on. No, hold on. Let me say something. What you are doing with so much money?
And better
Hold
$200.
that. You keep that. Now the big man. Yes, sir. Yeah. So,
Well, you look at me for me, give you what me figure you already. And you and your father
Auntie.
for work that they want out.
$100. This no this can't do. This can't do.
hold on. Yeah, I pay your PR.
Yeah, for what?
Your pension, I pay.
I'm a pension money.
So, yeah,
I'm here
yeah.
come and I bless you know.
So you give she enough for that me then. Like she,
Who do road?
alright.
When
it's
me
alright.
do my shopping today, you know, I may have the bag them so you know me never see your muscles I carry them.
Do me
I mean little knees struggle. You want to see how
Alright,
she has
go in my
sweat.
house. Is
Uncle,
that everything?
Daddy, in my house too hot right now.
You
more
just come.
cool breeze.
One in our house, girl.
More cold breeze, Daddy.
Sit down there, sir. Sit down there, sir. Don't give me no talk, man.
I don't want to sit down. What about me $100?
Have a nice day, yeah?
You and your father work it out. Come it done. Give you what me figure you already.
So that you give me $100?
Tomorrow is another day.
And me do
later.
all that work, you know.
No, where which work you work?
And me help carry back them.
Food have to buy in our house. What? Sit down there, sir, man.
I go in the house. No, you know, get up, go work, can't take people money for Auntie.
As a matter of fact, before me leave, my brother, you see the one Popeye him, the brown, tall brown man, I know one good man, you know. I know one good man, none at all. Him not no good intention to your daughter. Here?
So you come back with that fact.
Because my niece, I want the best for her. And him not no good intention for
I'm
her.
tired to tell you.
Will you come back
I'm
out fact?
tired to tell you.
Hello. Me tell yourself have a nice day. And you come back
Speaking
with
of the
foolishness.
devil, watch ya.
Lord God.
Watch ya.
A real demon you be, not true.
Open up people you have to curse them.
Move from behind me,
Oh,
man.
God, this.
Move from
My
behind me.
Bridget not gone.
He curse them like your police. Watch him, all informer. Watch him.
You say you already, you know.
How you calling for? You know,
Come here. Come here.
I mean, I respect
Come
your
here.
father,
Come
but
here.
you give
Slap
the
you by your mouth, you know.
Now let me go.
Same
Go inside.
Same thing.
Last time I talked to you.
Same thing. Don't let go on in, man.
Hey, don't disrespect my niece. He might not defend her, but me will defend her.
You
Cause you're all crop. I try my
Yeah.
niece no want you. You tell your pa how you want get in my niece panty them. Eh? You tell your pa about that. And you look at me like say you don't know what me I talk about.
Where I go?
You ever see me, I look my Virgin daughter.
Hey, me I figure record you.
But true, yes, I'm expensive and nobody want me. You can't talk about ground food.
Go on, run.
Listen. Have a nice day, yeah? We can't take this in my ears.
All right.
Phone.
All right.
No,
Look
don't make you
a
move.
piece,
Don't
man.
make you move. One question. Give me some of the money. When know you get money, give me some. Give me some.
Neglected.
Just give me some. Put some around.
You tell me if you have a nice day, not true?
Patronize me.
Have a nice day, my brother.
You know say she have money. You know say she get her pension.
Pension? Pension? Not that the pension there. It's the P word pension.
You know say now come straight.
Your daughter go sit down with a man. And the man give them whole heap of money. Me not see I want jugs man, still a jugs lad. And the man give them whole heap of US. He say whole heap of US. I say, yeah. You ready? But
Hey, girl.
this is bad to man.
Oi!
Call him out. Call him out.
I told you I talk my youth.
Me not tell a lie. I would never tell a lie.
Go
Call
on,
her out.
Go on. Come in and see me now while you see when I'm kicking it.
Where's her daddy?
Go on, just
All
go
right.
on, go on.
Where's he?
Yeah.
Wow, Rasta. I get so much West in my culture. The hard time culture I get so much US from.
And you see man like Uno,
Man like
tell you
Uno.
something. That man like Uno sit down on corner, rub out Uno and watch people business.
No,
you
no,
hear?
no, when I watch boy business.
You see man like Uno, you see for my daughter, could do without nothing like Uno. Me kick him till him teeth drop out. You hear him tell her? Oh, you see,
Oh,
see me have US boy I talk about. But
Only if you did know, master.
only if you didn't know what.
How long you kick your daughter man like a ball? I'm just the KFC guy, you know?
Watch where you say, here.
No,
Watch your mouth.
Mr. Say something, man.
Alright, just watch it, watch where you say.
Poor Rasta.
You toy. Why, sir? Me not wrong you for sitting in the shade and standing in the shade. Sun hot, man.
Where, you know, say me have some to tell you. From where there, me hear some bad things, boy, you know.
Bad things about
I mean, I want have to read up my mind and make my mind and tell me, say, I true. To where you go on already.
bad things.
Me hear say, you bring me daughter, go out the road like if a man you sell yourself to, and that she do too.
Hey! What you say, what? Me a pimp up my niece?
Yeah, so me hear.
Hey!
Have a good source.
Me can't tell you who that source be, you know. And good no go with the same sentence as that, the name. I don't want dirty papa, you know,
I'm gonna call nobody name, man.
All right.
All right.
So, me I got
All right.
you.
Tell me the truth. Them US there. I can't your pension you get that from, you know.
So, I mean, I like deal with certain
So
people,
much
you know.
US.
You fool and bad mind not hell. Where me work, Jutta? Me not go foreign, go work how much donkey years. And I draw my England pension. We just pull it out to the US because it's heavier than the Jamaican dollar. You know, it's a good administration job me do, you know, civil servant
Well,
me
so
be.
where you want today now? Where you want today?
Hey, don't come perplex my brain. My niece will come for.
Come for four.
Yeah, she want go out.
Go
At
out
least-
where?
We're going on the road. We have some little more shopping for do. We have my meat kind for buy and thing. And I want the little company.
Anyway,
and a little muscle.
anyway. Shout out, you know.
Exactly.
No go on. But make sure say I'm gonna tell you. Let me start over. You see, when your time run out, no come run to me, yeah?
Run to you for I
No,
will give you money
no,
last.
me don't
I
talk.
will give you more money
It's alright, me
last.
don't talk. When the time run out, me say no. Alright. Have your time now.
Shanti!
Yes, auntie.
Hi, come.
Me a come.
You want to fuck from here? Come in,
No, we're not lift out time. No go on. Go on,
Yes,
go
auntie,
on.
what going?
No go on, man.
Me want
there.
know what kind of side of bed you get up on, you know. But let me tell you something, you know.
So what
Shit no
happened?
roll downhill with me, you know. So
What happened, auntie?
your father perplexed my brain, man. Lord Jesus.
Every day
It's
I
really
come on me
hard.
yard.
Go look find out what to do.
Come like them always have a problem
What
with you.
wrong
What's
with you?
up?
You can't tell me you didn't have yard. Maka did it? We don't want to, yeah.
Look like so we
Alright, so no go. I'm say now go up on the road.
No, me I
Where
want
go?
idea
No,
to
listen,
get
every
rid
time
of
if you
you.
put them in them place, you have run them. Put them in them place. Listen to me. We ain't a size. We're older than you.
I'm glad I know.
We're older than you. You hear? I mean, to quote it to you, you can't see. You see, that's a
See them
she.
here.
I control you. We took out your eye, them and make she carry you around everywhere you
Stop
want
it
to go.
talking.
I tell you no. I'm going to tell you right there, so. Stop the way you do.
Do what me I do it, boy?
Stop the way you
Do
do.
what me I do it, boy?
What
Stop.
is she doing?
Take your own advice and stop follow back
Yes,
to me.
yeah.
We're going to report you to
Yeah,
police, you know.
let go on.
And
Let go
to
on.
come on me
We're
yard.
No,
gonna
go on,
police,
go on.
you know.
No, listen to me.
This is
You-
harassment.
You have something to say to them, just say it and make them
You
go on,
must
no, man.
love me
Come
father.
can't take the
Every
argument,
day
you know.
come here, so see night.
You see all the
Yes.
KFC, man. You buy a KFC, I mean, you're telling you want steak and this and that now, and lobster.
Away the man jealous and bad man.
How are you?
You
You want KFC man too?
Oh man, we are
My
the grown.
father can't buy no KFC because I'm here for give him money. He can't buy you nothing.
Bad to bad, Juta. Are you daughter mine?
What this man?
Where you come about, my brother?
Are you daughter mine?
That's
Yes,
mine,
I'm
boy.
your
You know
man.
my stay already.
I'm a man, money I mine him. Yes. You deaf?
Look, girl, go inside, go sit down and move for you, some man.
Auntie, come on, make it what him talk.
The ear rosy around you.
You Rasta, hey, come here, come here,
Come here, what? Go on, now, go now.
come
Me
here, tell us.
want to know where I go do, because I'm a bad man.
Get her sisters here and look in the mirror and trim your locks and say, I shall not disgrace Rasta.
Okay.
Rasta now come down, so we spiritual.
Okay.
We.
Where yours there, but me blind.
You don't
Me
hear the
see
song?
locks for my brother.
You don't hear
Me
the
see
song?
locks for
What the
me.
songwriter say?
Nobody take it
You
up.
don't have to jet to be a
What's how we on
Rasta.
the ballad know that the song, eh?
Oh.
And on can't sing crazy ballad
Yeah,
same
Rasta,
way.
right,
On
that's all.
can't sing crazy ballad same way. What a way. We never know Rasta when Coral Gardens are
Hello,
gone, eh?
did you-
When Coral Gardens are
You know,
gone,
say I love argument.
Hello.
You know, say I love argument.
Hello.
Go on,
You
go on,
did come
no,
up
go
here
on.
argue with
No,
him?
go on.
You
You
don't
know,
know
love
better than
argument.
him, you know?
I just
No
said
matter
the pan
than
in
him.
yard.
From the knees.
The damn lip them big like me shoes.
Don't bite off where you can't manage. Come
Somebody,
in, man,
somebody hyena Africa, please.
Stay hard next time. I don't come back here.
Going chase
Look at
those
the hyena,
crazy
everything go.
ballads.
You know, say me, I gonna make you stop coming here too. Because
No,
every time
you
you come here,
can't say
you
that, man.
story up things like you make it look like
Actually,
say.
you now know a Guan and your sister is no good. She up to no good.
I know already, I may try to sort it out. What you gonna do better about it? What you do for sort it
You
out?
didn't pay me yesterday. I do my job yesterday, I watch them and I see them and I tell you what I want. You didn't pay me.
Go up beside black, you see money. Put on that black.
We don't take up that long time.
So you say me no pay you.
Me kind of suspect that me electrical, but that
It's alright, man. It's alright.
Yes, we did. Let's follow your father. Who, me careful, eh? The man didn't put in
Yo,
car.
Shorty. I say you go.
Oh, what?
But you have enough money, you can live with the money man up the road there.
Which money man you talk
The
about?
same money man up the road there. If I hear about you, no.
Me not have no money man.
We are going to be a US. Watch. I'll be a KFC, I'll make you buy. Think you take boy if you buy KFC.
Yeah.
Eh?
You do from the US?
Me hear about you, no man.
That I hear, you can't
All the
call
auntie.
here say.
Hold on, as you call my name. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you already. My niece is not a chicken head. It takes more than KFC. If you don't have the money, you cannot get the honey.
And auntie number that with him.
But not take boy if you buy KFC. You think a boy if you live up much thousand buy back bucket of KFC.
You can afford my niece living. She used to high life.
The KFC my deal there now, but come like say you proceed them certain way man for go live with them the boy up the road there. Watch out for them pocket heavy and for me empty.
Well, if you have to fill it up, man, you have to fill it up because you have to have a J-O-B if you want to be with the honey.
See how much money in the bag right now you talk. I tell y'all laugh. Kick.
Let me teach you something, my niece.
Yes, auntie.
You see, any man or woman too that brag and then have nothing. Look what I have. Look what I have. If you open that right now, a pure crabweb rat bat fly out.
Make it
Or
open your bag?
empty.
Up in which bag?
Ah,
There's
see
some
that?
money in there. I'm one KFC now. Me
But I go link you, link you money man up the road there.
Are you a money man?
Call him and give away for US them.
Are you a money man, you deaf?
You know you are all you. You say you're a big woman. I don't say you deal with.
Stop talk to me.
Me a teach her right. Eh? What me and her uncle
I
got
sell it, I
through
sell
with
him.
hard life.
You
Me
see,
not
I sell
want
it, I
that
sell
for
him.
my niece.
I sell
Eh?
I sell your niece man.
Mind, you have to say that because
I
you're
sell it, I
Nobody
playing
sell
a
it,
not
niece.
tell me.
habit.
Oh, what wrong with you?
Sell it, I sell your
Find
niece
something
man.
at your standard, man, and stop looking above. Lord Jesus.
Father
Same thing me
God!
tell you man. Everywhere me look at this I hear it.
Leave.
The man have GPS stalk up and all away. You know nothing better to do. Lord, you put her in a shop.
Wait. Me see a me yard. I'm run you. You come and run. Why me want ball? You not have no life.
Hey, Cathy.
My catty.
Mm-hmm.
No spassy.
You know, you can't afford my niece.
So, you can't afford it now, get back no more knock again.
Boy come like he find a different money man so I give them BAU escape see money now work again.
Oh, so if I US when they get yesterday, I the man they get it from.
That's what me get to find out.
What a way on a
That's
love
how you
watch
do
people
it.
party.
Hitch up on people's
See say me
business.
know say no about it you know.
Huh?
You know about it man at all.
Yeah, man, cause one little slim girl that me see her, you know, when me always like her one time, but she intelligent, you know, me can't get in her jazz.
I just
She see everything still and tell me what
And tell you what I want.
Yeah, but me a try to knock him, me can't knock him.
You see
The
the
girl
now?
is very intelligent with her color head.
Tell you if you try
Like
KFC
chocolate
man.
chip,
Try
we try.
KFC. KFC no work try
Shut up.
Popeyes.
Try that.
You try Popeyes?
We try that in the work. You know what she said?
Yeah.
As long as we can put her through college, build her a house, and buy her a car.
See,
Tell me
money.
style man. Go show me empty land man and say oh I feel on that.
No, we can't do that. We try it. Achieve life. No, because, you know. So what you tell out the man, daughter? To this man. What?
I know me
You see nobody
You
sell
see?
nobody.
Me no have US daddy.
You see nobody sell nobody.
Me no have US you know.
Harmonies. You
And
see
Jamaican
when
me spend.
people don't know your business, them know your business more than you. And I feel
Jamaican me spend
like,
boss in the US.
come, leave
So
your
you
crosses.
see, your father shall know the truth what go on.
Your father know already.
No, the father don't know.
I me see me the US too.
You
He
deficient.
don't know.
You chat too much. I want to you.
The man don't know.
What a man.
And me would have to have evidence to go show him.
Oh, say it if you watch.
Oh, no wonder everywhere me and my auntie there, you hitch up there. You
Oh.
come
You
on my
think you
yard.
didn't know? Come and see me the US. Other day, when see me the US them.
No man in last. To
In
the
last
world.
state.
You know what? Me not no
Watch
time
out.
for this
Watch.
foolishness, you
Me
know.
make sure me have
Yes,
evidence.
record it. Come not no
Yeah.
time for this your foolishness. When you're there, you watch your friend picnic. How
Well,
long you watch her so?
You come
From
here,
she picnic?
No.
Talk the truth. From she picnic, I watch her so.
Since me see the catch this man there knocking a bush.
You come here, cuz.
Oh,
Me I
No
say
way.
yeah.
jealousy is a brute of a
You say
thing.
you can't
So
get
you
fear
want
knocked
knock
too.
in a bush too? Or what?
KFC, you that.
No, me name
One bucket.
one bucket.
One bucket.
And you're vexed now because me a teacher of the ropes. KFC can't do it no more.
And that
That's
missing.
then,
Watch him.
and this
Watch
is
him.
now. Combination.
Watch him.
Look here, little girl. Cause you not reach nowhere yet. And when you're 22, you go realize, say, what you do now, a foolishness.
Me not do nothing.
You see, auntie, she don't mean you're no good. Make sure me talk for
What
her
you
now.
have?
She don't mean you're no good.
What you have?
You see,
Oh, but
follow
you
your
mean
wo-
me good though.
Ask him.
Sorry,
Ask
excuse me in
him.
front of me with your butter foot. You hear me tell
I would have.
you? What this
Me want
man?
to see the day name there. Do it. See her, do it.
Let me.
Try it.
You want to look at the macaroni there where twist round?
No,
Oh,
that's-
God,
me
not
eat
do
macaroni,
yourself
so
so
me
bad.
Eat macaroni.
Huh?
Me eat macaroni, innit?
Nah,
Macaroni.
bro.
Find
I'm
something
gonna do
different.
himself so bad. Come.
Find something different,
from
daddy.
the
You
fish
can't
then.
talk about
Come,
the
we don't
food.
want no fish
Never talk about food and people again. Never do that. Never.
Alright, you know the hyena them?
If you have pork. Come in eat pork, you know. If you have pork.
Last year, good thing me don't eat them sitting Anyway, talk to her.
I that me have to do start though.
Educate yourself.
Yeah.
Get a work.
Yeah.
Because all they do is you turn up a roadside and beg people want $100 and $200. You cut out the
You
nastiness
too.
there.
You too. I hustle big man. When you see me come up on the roadside and say, yo, I want 2 bills, I want 3 bills, I'm hustling that. By end of the day, I want
I know
5,000.
hustling that a rough life that.
But by
You-
end of the
you-
day, I have 5,000 that by end of the day, you know.
You have to go look work.
I hustle big man.
What kind of hustle you hustle?
Alright. You pass tomorrow and see. When you pass, you just give me 2 bills. When you work, you give me next 2 bills. By end of
That's
the
a
day,
no
I can show
hustle.
you.
That's a dirty, careless life. Low life.
Low life.
Then the life, they don't worth it. You see this on roadside with one giant iron or a whistler sheet. I said so. And I, psst, psst. No, then it's no work.
So you work.
Get a job. Build yourself. Get a house. Get a car. You know, if you talk, girl jump in a hit.
We can rent a house, we can rent a car, and we can hustle the same way.
Look where they're going now. The rent life.
Dear man.
Actually, people alone do them something, you know.
No, no, say so, man.
You can't think. Alright, better you borrow the money, build a house and pay.
No, we not borrow no money. We rent one of them. My name, what you call it? My name scheme house there.
You can't even buy a slip for scheme house you can rent. Eh? You can't even find $200 right now. See,
Me like how you done grow my thing, you
you
know.
want 200?
Like how you done grow my thing, man. Left it, man. By end of the day, I'll make sure 5,000, you know.
You want get 200. You deserve it. That you want, yeah? That you want. That you want.
Alright.
You do
So
all right, you know. But you kind of light today. You never work so hard.
Can you never tell him how much money directly?
All right, my brother. You good?
Daddy Wagon, excuse me, Miss Down. My son right here, so.
You work hard.
Oh, no, sir.
What do you?
Me not feel good.
Don't get
Whoa, my body pain up. Hold on, the week. My body pain up, man.
Oh God, a gas. You need some little ginger
I
tea.
must get fit through.
Man, I breathe, you know.
Daddy, why can't you come with that? Daddy, I want to missing me something. Me not breathe. Stop. Why
Man,
can't
say
you
you
come
just
with
sick
breathe?
all of a sudden, so you vomit?
Only
No.
for you.
Jaja, what is not this?
Only for you.
What you
You
gonna
know,
do?
already, you know.
What?
Some boy on the roadside out there, so.
Daddy, no boy not tell you
Me
no.
pass and him say, same thing like what you say, only if me did know.
So you follow them bad mind.
The KFC man him say him is.
Oh, your son-in-law that.
Me what?
Why you love walk and chat people
Your
business
son-in-law.
and chat shit.
What you talk about son-in-law?
Well, she not feel well.
What son-in-law?
I feel good.
Daddy, you don't feel good. Yo,
Hold on.
tell me.
Me no remember.
I see you see you talk.
Where your son-in-law?
Come on to people business, man.
Dad.
Why you not look?
I
Why
don't say you for go on your yard, go on your yard.
Hey,
No.
what? You
No,
run me out for him?
No, more if you go on your yard, cause you don't say you don't feel good. You don't say you don't feel good. Go inside. Every guy you come and make, go inside, man.
You preggy?
Are you pregnant, huh?
Yeah, if I even pregnant, you're pregnant.
She not
When-
pregnant, man. Stop calling
No,
up
when
on
we done
the
with that,
girl.
it's not gonna cut back.
Nikki, you're
When we done
pregnant,
with
you're
that.
pregnant.
You know me?
Call that.
you
You
No.
see, you love trouble too much, man. Everywhere you go.
Me. You breed me.
This a boy I was now
One
water
inside.
your garden because your garden
Huh?
stagnant.
What you said, the boy when he
A job one name.
Hey, a lie.
Buy her KFC and have
a lie. Me soon find
Hold
out.
on, let me tell you.
So when me
Let
find
me
out,
tell you. Stick
everything I
up
drop on you,
in.
you
Stick
know.
up in and let me talk. That dirty jawbone did I try talk to Shorty and I try buy her with KFC. And when she walking down the road and she point him out to me, run that. You want to say him look like any old John Crown
No,
Croft.
me
Me
see-
run
no,
that.
no, listen.
Him not there with her.
Let me sit down. If
Him not there with her. A foolishness in my
I'm
talk.
a bridging stammer.
You love walk and chat people business and a
a
foolishness.
So many sit down here so calm and nice. You just please excuse me, present. Me I tell you now. You me tell you now. Two of me I talk to right now.
Me too.
Excuse me, present right now.
Me gone.
See what you call?
My brother wasn't in this mood.
Give me the $100 I'm gonna talk. Give me the $100 I'm gonna talk.
You see that? He might try
my
teeth
present.
me.
Let me tell you
Come
something.
on, move.
All right.
Move, let me deal with my
Black
brother.
and
Go long.
Latino.
Go long. Go long.
Ever pregnant?
Nobody call that one down.
Excuse me, say no.
And
I hear my call pregnancy
If
down.
you watch it two of them, you know. So you want that?
For watch what?
For
For watch what?
Me never say it. Come on, me never say it.
For watch what?
Come on, time.
Oh, I watch dog yeah higher.
Come on.
Hey, what is not this? You can't run me from my brother yard and
Come on.
take your dirty hand off of me.
You get paid for watch it. Come on.
You get paid for watch me. Oh, I watch garden of the family now.
Yeah.
I'm gone. Me can't deal with this. You damn watchdog.
After you go.
Hey, how many see Shorty from me come? Where she there?
She gone to the hospital salon. Check out if she pregnant.
Cha-cha.
And you better make sure she not pregnant.
No, man, she can't pregnant.
So what you think she gone down there can do?
I must have guessed, man. I must have guessed lick her heart. She could never pregnant for true.
That's the other lie, you know. They have to sit down. Me not worry still, you know. But me I plan for those stupid things, you know.
But Jutta, in all seriousness, man, she's a big girl. If you say thank God she come out of school.
God, she come out of school.
Lord God,
go on with you.
what kind of destruction
Go on
I
with
follow
you.
it today?
Woman, go and check one.
Which you woman?
What you mean, a shorty, I'm a woman.
Which part?
Shorty, I'm my woman, you know.
Hey,
I have
Kaya.
not passed him around, give beer, one bag of rich man, I have beer. When you show me now the money, can't buy lobster and steak and sitting. You know what me have her? Shorty, I'm my woman, Rasta, me I can't. I say, even I see her pass the deep at USPM, I things I know. I tell them, say you soon find out. And me, I a son-in-law.
Son-in-law, which
son-in-law?
I
part?
mean,
No, man,
son-in-law,
no.
man.
Son-in-law with what? When? With how?
we for a long time.
And so you not take, how you not come and tell me that?
I never time to tell you, but no, me have to tell you now, because me a confess now, man. Me a son-in-law.
Lie.
Better you move for yourself.
He
You know?
lie, you see my brother? And him
for life,
did
man.
one bribe Shorty with KFC and me run him.
I'm been a buy KFC.
No,
shorty.
me ask you something. Will you just come up in my yard and I tell me this all of a sudden something?
Alright, my conscience will bite me now. Me can't bother. If you look, me see Shorty with a different rich man I pass with. Me don't like that.
Just give me a moment. Me and my sister have a reason yes first. You can stand up one side, but me I talk little. You hear me say? You know.
You really believe him,
You
brother?
know somebody I get hurt today, you know.
You really I believe him,
Somebody I go get hurt.
brother.
Cause you always come and take her out, you know.
Just
So you not
sit
feel
down.
so she's safe with
Sit
me?
down. Wait till she come.
You not feel so she's safe with me?
We just
Me
want
not
to
do
know
nothing.
if she pregnant. Cause I see her this a boy. We are come talk about.
I try him bad mind man like the one Popeye.
We want
I
to
like
earth
see
one
black
on me,
people
you
have
know.
nothing.
How you come back to be my daughter? Where you have to take care of she?
Me have to take care of she. All like KFC say coming out of me by them.
Coming out for us. Which KFC coming out for us?
One say if you are road.
You see say I lie Mattel?
Then we are a big KFC by him.
You see say I lie Mattel?
Box.
Lord God, what is not this now, Ja?
Because he thought.
Why? Son-in-law.
You see them apart? A teamwork.
Yeah.
They come mash up your head.
Hey, son-in-law.
You see them a teamwork, you.
Have the thought upon a BS. Why? Trust me.
Sir, that you no plan up for come and so come tell me.
No, you pay me, you know. You pay me for watching them, you know. You pay me for watching them and me do my job.
Everywhere me go, you see her, make me see you. Everywhere me them, me see someone. Okay.
What's up, Bangarang? You pay man for watch? Who you paying for watch?
I'll tell you carrying that going to Ford Cup. Yes. We did that them time, man. You know what? Not them bow hold them nothing. All I do, so when you're parrot and they want to come with the man.
Me not have a problem with you, young man.
You know, so I slim as we see a while.
You know, so me not have a problem with you. Just stand up right there, so don't move. You. You see you? Are you all right problem, you know?
We all have the
You see there, say sit down like a cat, like a snake.
Family meeting, me dear.
Come here.
Your boyfriend, your father.
How you
How
love
is
that,
it,
sir?
Oh, daddy, me
You're
get
pregnant.
but me no look funny.
Give one of them for read. Give one of them for read.
Pregnant.
Me
How you love people business so much, man? Come out to people business, find
Hello,
something
read
to
this
do,
something, I
man.
read this
Auntie,
something.
read this now.
A people business full my belly.
You see, and that's your peers watchdog. And that's your peers watchdog.
No, you know what, read it, cause you know what got happen to you. Read it.
What happened for
Just
me?
read it, man, read it.
What happened for me?
I'm telling you, see people who hold it already in Kenya, you know, say dangerous, you know. Dangerous.
Sure,
I want to hear them so far. I want me a breed.
How are they funny?
Auntie talk now. Watch me rot to the match. God almighty, me a breed.
What the panic?
God. Lord God.
I want her, me a breed.
Womb cancer. Oh, you get womb cancer, baby.
Go for the gun.
The gun. Jesus Christ. Woo! I never plan to give you no more money for today. I just last night I sent some money to your account. I don't understand. So that the money they finish already?
You know, finish baby, but my pocket feel light.
Your pocket feel light.
Okay, flimsy. I can't alone me here. Me not hear no Ben Franklin.
Me I'll promise you buy you one Ferrari. Me know me not get it back. So you better ask me if me can give you one
Why?
money.
Let go me, I come and just see you. Why I transfer 150,000 to your husband to your boyfriend?
I'm my husband that I'm matter of fact we not married yet, but I'm my husband to be. But
and your one brother, your one flesh and blood.
me never say me not go give you, me say me not lend you no money because me know you not give me back. All the while me lend you money, you not give me back.
You give me?
Me just give you part away, you just say me can't give you so much money towards much thanks. So a year tank, a year.
Chum change here.
You know, say you would have called for too.
Call up.
Over there we want to go. Put up.
Go over there, go there.
Eh? Let us stay with you.
No, you can't stay.
Girl, now you sick in your heart?
Me? Sick in my heart?
Yes.
No, girl. I'm a mother at church, I'm a father. You said you need to look money. Sick with heart. Sick with heart and I drink right now.
Me and sick and me and walk past and me see her drink rum.
No, girl, that's
You
scam.
lie down in a bed in a hospital and sick with a heart and want a brand new water. So me here say want brand new heart.
Scam, daddy, girl.
No, me can't carry nobody over there.
Take off your darkers.
Me can't always want to take off my darkers.
Me no know, because I can't see your face over your darkers. See man, me I tell about ya.
You man, me see,
Look
man.
on your Facebook, you know.
You see me?
Man, me see.
Which way you see me?
Yes,
Me
sir.
must see you now.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hold on. Yes.
Me know you, know, but me act like me no know you. Me know say you there with my auntie now.
Me there with your auntie.
Yes, my auntie.
Me no auntie.
Hey,
Me no there with nobody
if
auntie.
ever move a muscle. My chat. You have to pay me to keep
Which
my
auntie me
mouth.
there with?
Just know some my auntie there with you. You have to pay me to keep my mouth. If you want month to lock up, you have to pay me.
Oh, that. Normally, me always buy 1 pound of chicken, but since as you come from foreign, you can buy.
Seriously? 1 pound of chicken?
Yeah, 52 days. We cut in half and share with 2 days. But, like when you can buy 1 bag of chicken.
I don't think you have to buy a bag of chicken. You can just buy maybe 2 or 3.
Chicken?
No, not 3 bag. 3 single chicken, like a whole chicken, you know, the whole thing.
Hold on there. Hold on there.
How good are they?
You see, my brother put in this here, I don't know my niece.
Oh, I'm finna know any. They never introduced me.
Baby.
Second hand, I don't buy 5 million. She asks, you don't ask her, 5 million you don't get.
No, man, this heavy.
Oh, excuse me.
Man, he's the papa of my man.
Girls, what's wrong with you people? You see me there with my wife. You know, no manners.
What?
Your wife?
Say you put your wife over me.
Baby. Who are these
But
people?
yeah,
Baby,
yeah.
go call security.
Right.
Just tell me what's going on
Me
right
no want
here.
no wife.
Stop the fighting.
Me
You guys
woman.
don't need to fight. What's going on here?
No man. I'm my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
As me, I say no, my
Okay.
mother-in-law.
What's your name?
I'm Riri.
Your name is Riri. Where are you from?
I come from the ghetto.
Ghetto. Okay.
So sit down, come with me.
You want me to sit beside you?
Yeah, you can sit down.
Okay.
So you say, are your son?
My son.
Yeah, are your son?
Who dare you to speak to me like that?
Yeah, me, my mommy, I speak to you.
That's my man.
Eh? And me man that there.
Girl,
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop coming over and tell her, baby, call security, man, them no, baby. Baby, call security, no.
Call security for your liar self.
Baby,
Where you take this thing for?
baby, call security,
Why are
man,
you talking
them.
like that?
Eh,
Baby, look, man, and
Oh,
talk
you
back
say that my man.
Baby.
You say your mother sick. And
Baby.
oh, you say your mother sick. Talk to me now. Oh, she
Baby.
attack. Nothing to
Baby,
her.
look, man, and too.
How you
Pat
say
off
this?
it, girl. Why they over with
Me a
yourself?
butterfoot girl.
Why not, baby, come on.
But I did up in the bed in up there so with me. I never know say me a butterfoot.
Yeah, man. She too. One time. Babes, watch out, look. Babes.
You brighty, I can't fight me in front of my daughter and I can't chat about me when they pan jugs, dirty boy. Me look like me the pan jugs still.
Why me have to prepare you for life? Sometimes in this life, baby girl, we have to do things for a period of time that we don't want to do. But every mickle make a muckle and we have to try. You know have to run in this world.
Why we know that for run?
You know have to run cause, you know, when you have cold, you have to get out everything. So you have to get out everything, get out and change.
You know, look the boyfriend about to play.
I wanna do boyfriend now.
When I like big up in your life, like, bam, you know, boom.
And then it explode, boom, to 1,000,000 pieces. You drop and drop far
You're rich,
from
you know,
me.
me have money, you know.
Me no business about that way your richness have to do with me.
You can buy anything you want.
Me no care. Me can ask my mother cause no matter if my mother no have it,
But
she go find
your mother
somewhere
not rich
somehow
like me.
and give me.
Your daughter come and look me, mom.
Listen to me.
I say me no want her cause she look young.
Hello. Let me tell you something. This are the only mother where you can look on and tell lie about her child and she not gonna believe you.
I will never do that.
Me not gonna believe you. Oi, look here. You a big old umochi-year-old man. Born long time one can look off me little daughter where I go to school. Nobody with it.
No, miss,
She soon done high school and go college and now. Nobody with it. Leave her alone in the name of Jesus, sir. You see your
Amen.
money where you have to go buy fancy car, she no want it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Me will work and buy car for her. If I fi buy the wheel them alone, how much wheel up on one car? 4 then say or a 10. Listen, me will buy the wheel them alone. So till me can buy the steering, the brake, the engine, every part, all the top part and the door, me will buy. Me will buy the fender, the trunk, the bumper, everywhere. Whatever me will call it, what you call it, the bonnet, me will buy. Me no want you buy nothing.
But listen, cause some of them mother around here, so they're wicked.
Oh God. Me know about one particular one, but nobody go there, so.
They're wicked. They know them picking it. You think me can have my one daughter and sell him out and feel good?
Mm-hmm.
Me,
Yeah, man, look on her,
Where
she's
can
strong.
Mom, say must use gold mine.
goal who?
Mine.
Goal,
Yeah.
goal.
Gold mine. Mama say me must use my gold mine.
Use your
Your
goal
mine, your gold mine.
My gold mine.
Your gold mine, me I say.
But she did say gold mine between legs. Gold mine. What, mommy, why you look at me so strange?
You
I
no money.
want man buy me it.
One man?
Yes.
Which man?
Yes, he rich, he full of money. Can you buy me big juice? And I say, man, tell all man bright to mommy. But come on, if we not go. Me say, no.
What you say?
But like you want to carry me Ganyard. So me say, no, mommy, not Ganyard. I'm too bright.
Lord God, it look like say a real idiot me raise, you know.
Why you say that, mommy?
You said the man like you, obviously, and buy you a drink.
Yeah.
And invite you to him yard.
Yeah.
So what you think? You should have go. You look a good person at the mouth. Alright. So push out your chest and make him see what you have. Okay. And nobody sew up your face, yeah? Make him want to be in your company.
Okay.
Alright, make me proud.
Yes.
Yeah? Make me proud. And remember, nobody give it up too easy. Make him work for it. Cause you see, when them have to work for it and beg for it, them pay hard for it. So nobody give it up straight away. Hear me, girl?
Yes, sir.
But nobody clamp down too tight neither, cause so life set.
Okay.
Hey, baby girl, you alright? Come sit down, come sit down, come sit down. You get through? Why you look so? You're supposed to be joyous, man. Cause you're supposed to be coming in with the readies and the cabbage. You get through?
I like what you do.
With what? Where the money there?
Which money?
Joke you make. What you mean which money? Where the money there?
Me
What me
don't
send you
have
for
no
go
money. Mommy, you never tell me if you go for no money. You just tell me if I go there and do anything. Why you say so me go there go do it. And mama, if you see me first time, me don't even like it.
Hold on. A free pum pum your game?
Mommy, you never tell me so.
Girl, a free pum pum your game?
What going on?
No, go on, bro.
You know, up a yard, me there, I could come in on me one day, me should have buy
Wait, you don't learn that too? Huh? You don't learn that too, Daddy?
What about?
Oh, yeah. Mommy beat him up again. Because he come like he don't learn.
That's something feel. Tell about mommy beat him up. I never give me a gift.
I don't want to. You never give me nothing. I'm 16 years of living.
I'm tell you this. I hurt me never want to hurt him mother what day.
You can't hurt him.
Me say. I hurt me never want to hurt him mother what day.
Say you can't. Oh, yeah, I get that.
Buy something, buy sweetie.
No. Brother name Rockstone. How will you get that?
You talk about my daughter.
Daddy, $20. Daddy, $20. You're not giving no from your 16. Not even from your 16, from a barn.
What you talk about? You know when you claim I give $5 and $1, you're glad for them, I know me I give big gun that you tell me saying happy feet. What is it buy sweetie?
Well, you're going to buy one damn toothbrush.
What if you come and give your picnic?
What you do?
What you mean when me I do? Where you go with Silver? You know no shame. Where you looking for friend in my area for?
Do that again.
What you mean? I know that. Gear again.
Do that, Wallace.
Where you get Silver, me a shame me make that ear. You dirty friend them where you sit down the surging stuff with gent with. You think me not see as we are coming and showing stuff with gent back? See it ya?
Wallace, I'm going to buy ice cream.
Look where I drink.
You fling on my money?
Look where your father drink. God. Oh yeah, barging, so girl. What to your face? You get through? You get the money? What to your man? You get through?
All you care about money.
Why you not giving nothing for free?
Me have something to tell her, mommy. Anything I tell her, mommy, I cause I eat.
Yeah, because you're getting money.
Mommy, I no money this time. Every time you talk about money, mommy.
In the legs. But I can't compare years, young one. Can't compare years. Wait.
She has 16, you know.
Huh?
She has 16.
So what that mean?
She can't hear that. As long as I'm not nothing rude, everything good. She under. Mind your death, my child. Take your hand out her years old. Walk shit in there and not step your hand.
You really can't come here, yes, sir.
So I don't know. So, me I wonder if you are doing the same thing too, you know.
Go rank with me.
So
Go rank with me. Do not rank with me like that again, big. Hey. Big old fool Joe. No rank with me.
So why you hit me?
Mas Joe, you is a idiot.
With what?
Answer me when they call you. Joe.
Yes.
You're jackass.
No.
Joe.
Yes.
You're an idiot. You know me so long and you really see how me work hard and suffer to mind my youth. without a daddy, a bossy broke pocket daddy. Yeah? And you see my daughter grow, come up and sensible, so and look so nice and clean and decent and so intelligent and have the much subject. And you, they can't say, if my daughter look like she a man, hey.
No,
Okay.
no, listen, remember say no.
Joe, I ring just ring, I this me, you know.
Some parents do it
No,
under...
some, no mix up me with this some, them, you know, some. Me is me and I'm going to always be me.
Melody has a look her.
What's wrong with her?
I like the look sorry, she looks scary.
When I have to me, I'm kind of lonely, you know. You know, that's my complaint talk to you sometimes to do a year or two.
Girl. Yeah. Girl, name me, I call them.
No.
I'm gonna get there with my friend, one man, girl.
Yeah, jeez, please don't tell me say I want broke money go pan the pick up.
No, a contractor. Oh. You have to look at the money, girl. And I look at her, so she's not really bad. She's nice and cute, so. Yeah.
I'm in the phone, me not here.
How are you there, sir?
Oh, yeah, hold on there a minute. What you ask me on me?
Yeah, in a spot, I have some hustle, you try excuse. Come, you come.
So, mama, I really
Go
like to
inside.
say you hustle?
Then, you know, for me, look where things say, me, I go look work. You know, see this?
Mama, let me tell you something. You better look work.
How?
You're too young for around your body. You have to look work. You have to come there because right now, the mercy of God, they come.
The mercy of God against you. Listen to
Just
me.
what go on in the sky over America.
Why go in the sky for America? But the America, me
This is
there,
what
Jamaica.
Elon must do.
Me busy what he want do.
And me, my daughter, anytime, man. But the next time I see sun hot, wait till the sun cool in the air.
Yeah.
Because I don't want black horse. I don't drink more, I don't know what's up with them. I light up my weed.
Me now all that's in a car pass, so we not to worry. Yeah, the fire one with that.
You look a nice, cute baby.
Excuse me. Me no want baby.
So, yeah, what then?
Baby is different. Baby is when I wear pampers and child when I wear clothes.
Oh, look, man, you see.
Eat yucky, and
That not up to do with me. This nah shatter, man. The duff cat not the righteous, so. Take out the
Let people yard your auto that bad.
horse. If me
Come out. Look, come out.
you must free up your
Mind my eye. Mind my eye. Take him out here, cause you do too much.
Man, you see?
I'm taking your share right now.
So she a big man, she force wipe, you see?
Where you come from?
Daddy, I try to shut up. I don't know what you say.
What? You cheat us.
But she bright. Are you shut up to her? What this? But tell us, you penny a big woman. Watch him.
Try to shut up.
Oh, we are talk.
The devil confess.
Man, I do whole heap of something. I just little bit of man, me. Me say me can go obey a man. Man, I do whole heap of something.
Me backside. Wait.
How are you?
I'm a tidy man.
Which man?
I'm a tidy man.
Which man that?
Trish. The bomba. Good girl, come out. Jesus Christ. What do you hand?
Mama, when you come get auntie a hug, man.
How you do?
Why you socks in your hands?
I fight me.
Why the uniform tear up so?
I fight me. I fight at school and the girl pop up me uniform.
You beat her?
Yeah.
Boss it.
Where you telling about
Boss
boss it
it,
one?
touch
Where you
it.
telling about boss it one?
Yes.
I boss your box.
We are.
Why purpose say that?
I know I said, do me and my friend, they want to get rich.
Rich.
Yeah.
Which is a must.
I mean, you say you're good. That's what the 10 boy, you feel me? Yeah.
Rich is a must.
Yeah, so what me have to do?
Me good enough, man. You know,
Me and my friend.
Wait.
You can't deal with it and make me get
Mama,
rich.
no.
You hear what go happen, Mama?
Rich. You know what is rich?
Mama, you know what is
Kindness.
Obia.
I know, obia.
Obia.
We have to go sacrifice somebody.
See
Baby.
the thing?
I don't know now we go get it.
How you know that? Mama,
We just know say we are go rich.
listen to me. I'm going to tell you this today, yaka. It's like I'm not getting on the hand. By the hook or by the crook, before the ear fit done, what we must be what?
Rich.
You will spin your roll.
For what?
How about that?
Yeah. What is that? What's that?
What kind of dog this, yeah? Hello. Hello, make me talk. I come like when you come waste time, you know. Me come about money, me want to get rich.
Rich? Sure, I know I get rich.
Me don't know about them, me know about me rich, me want to get rich.
Nobody say no. Pick like in the liquor, juice or food.
Anything.
Anything.
Thank you.
So how long they take to come back?
No, them not come back and then can't get my this before me. They can't come. So come back.
Alright.
See me. We are telling me, mama. Hey. See me carry girl come. Mr. Mikara, non-virgin, God, hubby man, you get a virgin. I don't do behind people back. You hear weird. You hear? How do you? Say good. Well, what's she idiot? Nothing happen. Me prayer. Mama! Why? Jesus, wait. Wait. Me can't move. Why? Hey! What? Come here, I'm going to move. My foot. Come here. Jesus! I need you now!
Little girl, stop it!
Jesus!
Stop it, little girl. Stop it! Stop it!
Jesus!
The bag back up it me.
Tell my money.
Rich? I'm rich. I get money. I'm rich. Kayla. Where rich sister?
Shanice rich.
Where rich?
Shanice money.
Where money that girl?
And burger, you not hesitate. No, you know so I'm pregnant, you hesitate.
What you mean after me not sure if I feel me pitney?
What you mean by anybody breed me, you have to take care of me, you know?
Not because me coming at you, you know. No claim say no that, no claim say I'm my pitney, you know.
Are you alone me lie down with me?
Me a look olive oil in this up on the dresser, yeah? Go and use it and fry it. I never me tell you to go grind and can't maintain what in a you. Me tell you, say, go get a work, you know. Go get a work, because me and that bastard child now go work.
Lord God, go with me soon.
How are you?
I can't you me a look for.
Why?
Could never you me a see.
Your father tormenty.
Could never she me the see.
Me or something.
Torment bad.
Where you up on the road?
Daddy, so me can't come out the road again for breeze before where you burn up with iron.
So you see me I go up and down. And you not even move a muscle like you're interested.
Daddy, when me move, I must my foot hurt me, Daddy.
What that friend I do? Tell you? I will be a show work for you.
Me don't know.
How are you?
Me hungry right now, you know, man.
Ah! What you say?
Me say me hungry.
You're hungry? Okay. So you never know say what you have inside you go feed for your liver. Eh? You left her this morning, right? Bright and early. What you tell me say you're going to do? You're going to look for baby daddy. So baby daddy don't you know money?
No.
Oh, see it's done.
No.
If you're a company you like come here teacher.
So you want to teach me how to be a granny? You want to make me baptize and all of that and all of that? Me don't want to be a granny, Daddy. Me can't bother to stay in. I will sit there and burn up my foot with iron now.
You teach you how to be a what?
A granny. You want me to have Christian friend or whatever. Me I done Christian already. Me don't want a Christian.
So you're not cleansy?
Bad man don't know what. You saw a bad man here? One rifle. Pow! One pit in the belly and no father. Poor pit never born. Ball I wonder grandpa what the daddy there. Never swear to kill him. Your mama go check your daddy and your daddy. Pow! And dump that rock.
Hey, girl.
Then this a girl a real.
Who you hide me, man? That me real.
Hey, girl. No, girl. Don't come in at me. Look for me.
Look. Wall up, a me nation. There, I'm a TB woman. Door, hey girl, door and
girl, yeah.
I'm gonna carry them.
Watch it, mama. Watch it.
I want the man.
Watch it,
I
mama.
want this
Boy, you should have slashed my boy.
I want this in me.
How that?
When me a hold it, I mean, can I pull the door?
So come.
Let me where so come.
Yo, come here, man.
Soldier this here.
Come here, man.
Your friend, me, sir. Supposed to give me heart attack.
Come here, man. Come here, son.
Good afternoon, soldier.
Where you come from?
I come from my yard. Where you talking about?
Show you where you come from.
Yeah.
Watch ya! Yeah! Boop, 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 boop. And you mean me daughter? Yeah. Soldier man. Welcome, son-in-law. Welcome. Good choice, girl. You see it?
Daddy.
You get ghost
Daddy,
pan for ghost.
Chill. Make him man talk.
Huh?
Look up in me. Look up in the house for.
No.
Look up in the house for.
Watch it, babe.
Yeah. Oi! I so nice. How you treat them?
Dive in there, man. What do you? I see if you can dive in this. Well, that boy. Hi. Bomba.
Hey, why make you not come to school?
I couldn't question that. The same thing she come ask me, you ask me. You know, see the difference. You know, see my nose pierced. You don't see I haven't touched you. You don't see.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I do not want to be inquisitive or, as Jamaicans would say, no.
Wait. Can you just start clicking on my brain? Can I cover my brain in the way? Who want to tell the man say how much?
18 hours.
You know say a lie. You is a liar, Christian. You know say Christian don't tell lie.
Look who attack. You just tell the man say you're 19.
I'm not a Christian. You is a Christian, and Christian should not lie.
Everybody lie. Can't bother remember talking.
Where are you, sir?
No, girl.
What you mean, no?
This down there chair take some fresh air.
Oh, because you can't take it on your veranda, your yard.
Yo. Where are you with?
How this a job on?
I am same one.
Where are you with?
So, I'm going to go eat them.
We speak to them.
You know, sir?
You don't see I'm a woman and a friend.
Where woman?
She. Yeah?
And your friend?
Yeah? You're blind?
Me know me can't see clear, my boy.
How much? You know how old she be? Yeah. How old she be? 19. Listen, 19. I thought you walk around tell the man them that you put on tattoo and pay it up. And you have broke up with that, sir. I can't take off your gold. Hey, how you go? Why you got give us a big gun? Give us a big gun? Serious boy, I go rush me, I know.
Batty boy,
Show them boy or something.
Right now, a batty boy.
Must swallow, boy. Must swallow.
Boy. How you go?
Remember me I go. It's too me dirty dog. You don't have time for me, you know. So I left.
How you mean it? Me not have time for you. You me a call look for?
Yeah, come look for me, you know. When I say come look for me. When I say come over here, Tibi.
I work. Sick. You have vomit?
Yeah.
And you're warm? Jesus Christ, you have vomit. You know what that? That's called pregnancy. Sign of pregnancy. Vomit, fever, flu. Girl, I will breed you. Who find time breed you?
Boy.
One man. And I see a man let me see you with.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, and you tell me that your friend. Look, girl.
And then And I just see when I tell him I can talk about how it all mine, because he not no more.
Ah! How it all mine? In all the money. You hear me, son? Me sick right now myself. Me feel like me pregnant too. So you pregnant, me pregnant. Cause you look like me pregnant with you. Cause you hear me, son? You hear me, son? And for me, have you either. I maintain it for your baby because you kill you murder your mother at birth. Right?
Who name Peter?
Peter, no bus driver. We run the school bus.
So what kind of text am I him a text? What? So you're in love with somebody now?
No, my friend borrow my phone and I'm Pinky.
Yes. Yes. Yes, man. James going to come in. James going to come in. When we can, I'm going to Jesus. Somebody dead.
Daddy have to make porridge.
Somebody dead.
Nobody not dead, Daddy. Nobody not dead. Daddy, nobody not dead.
You're a fool. What do you mean, babe? You know, just. Oh, where y'all go with sister?
Oh, sit down. Turn around.
No! Like money that you can't count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want it in Spanish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, you want me get the lick in Spanish? You want get when would I want your money? Hmm? So what you like doing for?
I want my money, Papa.
Me tell me don't have your money. Listen.
Papa, where you carry my shit in my house? How you come to do? You have to take me $100 you come to come warn me?
Man! I want my flash here, pan.
Look flash me here, yeah.
Look funny. I come to another get you there, you know.
So where you cut it?
Flash it, girl. Appear it.
Why? No! No!
Move on.
No, me not move. Girl, want this girl. Girl, no. Why?
Hey! God! Shanice! Is breathing? No, sir. Chew up. Feel bad. So you dey hide and do it. Tell us, I'm sorry. Me no, you don't want to hear where they go on your so. Right your so, pick me in a disability. I'm sending her to school and she a breed.
A breed? Oh, oh.